Welcome to Linux Help. Today we're gonna see how to install QuickCMS on Oracle Linux 9.3. QuickCMS is an easy to use PHP based content management tool. With this tool, you can easily extend functionalities and change the layout of your website. First, I'm going to check the OS version by using the following command. The OS version of the Oracle Linux is 9.3. Next, I'm going to install the Apache and the PHP service by using the following command. Next, I am going to enable and start the Apache service by using the following command. Next, I am going to check the status of Apache service by using the following command. The Apache service is active and running. Next, I run the following firewall-cmd command to add both HTTP and HTTPS port to the firewall D, then reload the firewall D to apply the changes by using the following command. Next, I am going to create a new directory in the location of /www/html/QuickCMS. This will be used as the root installation directory of QuickCMS. Next, I am going to the directory and download the QuickCMS source code by using duplicate command. Next, I am going to long list the file and check the downloaded source code file. The source code file is downloaded. Next, I am going to rename the source code file into quickcms.zip. Again, long list the file. Now the file has been renamed. Next, I am going to extract the downloaded zip file by using the following command. After extracted the quickcms.zip file, then remove the zip file by using the following command. Give yes. Again, long list the file. Next, I am going to set proper ownership and permission for QuickCMS directory by using following commands. Next, I am going to edit the QuickCMS configuration file and define your database settings in the following configuration file. Add the following lines. Save and exit from the file. Next, I am going to check the Apache configuration file by using the following command. Next, I am going to restart the Apache service to apply the configuration changes by using the following command. Next, I am going to access the QuickCMS installer. Open your web browser. Enter the following URL. Enter IP. It is the QuickCMS web page. Here, adding admin.php. Here you can set our password on admin.php page. Just enter your preface, the username and password, then enter. Enter password. Enter login. This is the dashboard of QuickCMS. This is the process to install QuickCMS on Oracle Linux 9.3.
Thank you for watching this video, and if you like it, please subscribe to our channel. To learn more tutorials, visit www.linuxhelp.com, and if you have any queries, mail us to support@linuxhelp.com.